Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I am introducing you to the top 10 PHP frameworks in 2025. In this video, I share with you the top 10 PHP frameworks in 2025, along with their features and drawbacks. So watch the video in its entirety without skipping. Also, if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to the channel and support me. Number 10. Slim. Slim, released in 2010, Slim is a simple yet powerful framework that focuses majorly on HTTP requests and responses. It is a lightweight micro-framework used for developing RESTful APIs and services. Being 4.10 as the latest version, Slim comes with major changes in PSR 7 updates and interfaces. It has immense features such as session, URL routing, client-side HTTP caching, and cookie encryption, firms like e-commerce, HHEY, PathMotion, Directus, and WebbyLab. Features of Slim. Extensible and easy to learn. Dependency injection and error handling. No third-party dependencies. Focused on HTTP request and response handling. Drawbacks of Slim. Limited built-in features. Not ideal for large-scale application development. Number 9. Pixie. Pixie, released in 2012, Pixie is a full-stack PHP framework and follows HMVC architecture. Using Pixie, the developers build highly optimized web applications. With huge active community support, upgrades are possible in Pixie, which adds new features to it, leading to high-performance products. The components in PHP Pixie are 100% unit-tested and require minimum dependencies. It comes with a routing system which makes it impressive. Companies that integrate with Pixie are Amazon EKS, Azure Kubernetes Service, and Google Kubernetes Engine. Features of Pixie. ORM, Object Relational Mapping, and MongoDB support. Low coupling for better performance. Unit-tested components. Follows a bundle system for reusable code. Drawbacks of Pixie. Not suitable for large-scale projects. Limited support for third-party tools. Number 8. FuelPHP. FuelPHP, released in 2011, FuelPHP is a full-featured, flexible PHP framework that comes with an HMVC, Hierarchical Model View Controller, architecture. Using HMVC, there's no need for duplicate content to display on several pages, hence it takes up less time and consumes less memory. With great community support, FuelPHP takes security measures seriously and provides 7 security features. It is the best option if you're working on a project where security is a major concern. Companies reportedly using FuelPHP are Spookies, Inventory Base, and Amitum. Features of FuelPHP. URL routing and RESTful implementation. Robust security with CSRF and XSS filtering. Command line utilities for development. Lightweight and extensible. Drawbacks of FuelPHP. Limited community support compared to popular frameworks. Slower adoption of new PHP features. Number 7. Falcon. Falcon, released in 2012, Falcon is a PHP full-stack framework that is flexible, fast, and whose development style is based on C and C++. Its uniqueness is that it is as fast as Lightning was written C and also comes with a C extension. However, it comes with an extensive development option to develop flawless web apps. Asset management, universal autoloader, and caching are some of the prominent features this framework has. 34 organizations use the Falcon framework for development, some of them being Urban Sports Club, the Pro Shore, and Edureka. Features of Falcon. Code compilation and MVC architecture. Volt template engines and query language. Supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Ensures data integrity through transactions. Drawbacks of Falcon. Requires knowledge of C for advanced customization. Documentation can be inconsistent. Number 6. YII. YII, released in 2008, which means, yes, it is, in Chinese, is a simple, fast, and component-based PHP frameworks that comes with excellent speed and performance, best for developing modern web applications. It is indeed a strict object-oriented PHP framework and requires knowledge of all OOPS concepts. It offers a powerful class code generator, named GUI. It also follows the dry, don't repeat yourself, concept, which makes it suitable for large-scale applications. Websites that use YII are Deloitte and General Electric. Features of YII: integration with Ajax and jQuery. Extensible and efficient. Unit and functionality testing. Layered caching and encryption. Drawbacks of YII: steep learning curve for beginners. Not as popular for smaller projects. Number 5. CakePHP. CakePHP, released in 2005, is the easiest and most open-source framework following MVC architecture. It has a set of libraries and components that help in creating commercial applications quickly. Implementation of CRUD operations is quite easy in this framework. It uses the COC, convention over configuration, approach, which explains about coding guidelines developers need to follow. The updated version 4.0 brought a skeleton design and provides APIs for the rapid development of applications. Earlier companies like MBW, Hyundai, and Express were attracted by the framework. Features of CakePHP: SQL injection prevention and CSRF protection. Secure and scalable framework. Follows MVC architecture. Includes a built-in ORM. Drawbacks of CakePHP: lacks flexibility compared to modern frameworks. Can be slower for high-traffic applications. Number 4. CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter, released in 2006, is another popular and lightweight PHP frameworks and has the smallest footprints, file size of 2 MB, including documentation. This PHP framework list offers error handling and is the perfect one to create dynamic websites. It offers pre-built modules that help in creating reusable and robust components. It has a library that has a simple interface and requires a logical structure to access. The latest version of the framework is merely 1.2 MB in size. Firms like Udemy, QuinStreet, Adobe, and Medical Guardian use this framework. Features of CodeIgniter: encryption steps and extendable components. Simplifies CRUD operations without raw SQL. Promotes quicker page loads. Minimal setup required. Drawbacks of CodeIgniter: lacks built-in support for ORM. Limited scalability for enterprise-level applications. Number 3. Laminas. Laminas, formerly Zend, released in 2006, Laminas is an open-source and object-oriented PHP frameworks list helping developers to provide high-quality apps to business-oriented customers. It is customizable and can integrate with external libraries, unlike other frameworks. The main intention to use it is security, speed, and performance. It has collaborated with companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft. It comprises 3 parts, namely components and MVC, Metsio, and API tools. Features of Laminas: session management, cloud APIs, and encryption. Drag-and-drop editor with debugging tools. Extensible with inheritance and interfaces. Focus on security and speed. Drawbacks of Laminas: relatively slower compared to lightweight frameworks. Higher complexity for beginners. Number 2. Symfony. Symfony, which was released in 2005, is a modular-based PHP framework that is an ideal framework for large-scale corporate applications. Also, the best thing about Symfony is within a click, deployment is done. Moreover, setup and configuration are also easy. Popular projects that use Symfony are Drupal 8, Publish, EZ, and OpenSky. Being an extensive PHP frameworks, it also has high community support. Due to the extensive availability of libraries and components, it is generally the first choice of developers. It allows integration with other vendor libraries, and this is why Symfony should be the preferred choice if you want to create flexible and feature-rich applications. Features of Symfony: easy building of APIs and microservices. Reduces redundant coding. Database engine independent, MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. Uses Doctrine ORM for database operations. Drawbacks of Symfony: high resource usage for small applications. Requires expertise for optimal implementation. Number 1. Laravel. Laravel, released in 2011, is one of the best frameworks in PHP, free, open source, and very popular PHP frameworks wherein you can build customizable web applications. Pfizer, Tour Radar, and BBC are some companies that use Laravel as their server-side development language. It is well known because of its secure handling of complex web applications. It offers a vast ecosystem and simplifies the process of frameworks in PHP development by lowering the complexity of sessions, queuing, routing, caching, and authentication. It has more than 20 built-in libraries, which makes the development of the web easier. With Laravel, automating tasks that were done manually is quick. Features of Laravel: scalable and secure. Functionality packages and email integration. Highly active community support. Supports MVC architecture. Drawbacks of Laravel: steeper learning curve for beginners. Heavy reliance on third-party tools for advanced features. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel to support us.